MICROMAX Canvas 6, and let me show you how to enable Do Not Track mode on the Chrome browser by using that device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Let's open Chrome. From Chrome home screen, you need to find and select More key in that corner. Let's here scroll down, choose Settings, scroll down again, tap Privacy under Advanced, and here you have to find Do Not Track. Let's tap it, and to enable this mode, let's use here the following switcher. Here you can read about this mode, and that's it. You just enable Do Not Track mode on your Chrome. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.